Hey guys, today we're gonna do another video for Growtopia. I hope no one spams me now or troll me, so let's go back to the legendary blue YouTube. Someone else world lock it, so never mind, let's just check. Updating. By the way, please like this video though. It will really help much. Damn, someone word locked it. Legendary blue, you suck, get wrecked. Oh my. All these viewers, you suck like, oh my god. You suck at everything, get wrecked. Awesome.